Hello everybody, this is Alex from soyachincha.com and we just checked out the launch of the all-new Honda City Hatchback here in Malaysia. And here's everything you need to know. For the Malaysian market, there are a total of 4 variants, which includes 3 petrol option and 1 hybrid model. In terms of pricing, the base spec S variant is priced about 75,000 ringgit, followed by the E variant that's priced about 83,000 ringgit, and the higher V spec variant is priced almost 88,000 ringgit. Overall, the hatchback is about 1,300 to 1,500 ringgit more expensive than the City sedan version. And if you compare this to the Jazz, they're about 3,000 ringgit more expensive. The Honda City Hatchback RS is a top-of-the-line model that has a hybrid engine but it's not available yet, and Honda Malaysia will reveal the pricing closer to its launch that's happening sometime in early 2022. Looking at the price difference, we reckon that the RS model could be priced between 108 to 110,000 ringgit. Like the name implies, this is essentially the hatchback version of the Honda City, and this will replace the Honda Jazz in the Southeast Asian market. In terms of design, it looks identical to the Honda City sedan version, except that you get a 5th door instead of an extended boot. In terms of powertrain, the petrol version comes with a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder engine that produces 121 PS and 145 Nm of torque. But what I'm more excited about is the Honda City Hatchback RS eHEV version that runs on the i-MMD hybrid system. The RS model gets a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine that runs on an Atkinson cycle and is mated to a 2-motor hybrid system. However, this doesn't mean you get 2 electric motors that's moving the wheels. Instead, you get 1 generative motor and another propulsion motor that moves the wheels. With the electric motor, you get an output of 109 PS and a crazy 253 Nm of torque, which is class-leading in the segment. The i-MMD system is different from previous hybrid technology in the sense that the electric motor is not limited by the battery. In hybrid drive mode, the petrol engine drives the generative motor, which then produces power for the propulsion motor. In simple terms, this is like an EV that has a petrol engine as a genset. The petrol engine drives the front wheels only at cruising highway speeds when it's the most efficient. In terms of fuel economy, the hybrid RS model boasts 3.6 litres per 100 km, which translates to 27 kilometers per litre, and that's insane. On a full tank, you probably can get close to 1,000 kilometers. The Honda City Hybrid RS also boasts class-leading safety features with Honda Sensing, and this includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control for a minimum of 30 km per hour, and there's also Honda Lane Watch, which lets you view your blind spot using the infotainment display. The RS model also gets electric parking brake with auto hold assist as well as rear disc brakes. However, for the petrol version, you still get the manual handbrake as well as drum brakes at the rear. In terms of infotainment, on the Honda City Hatchback E-Spec and above, you also get an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. For the RS model, you also get a semi-digital instrument cluster that comes with a 7-inch TFT display. Exclusive to the City Hatchback RS are rear aircon vents. However, for the petrol models, you get a large cubby hole, which is good enough to store your phone. Another differentiator from the sedan model is that the Honda City Hatchback features ultra seats across the range, and this allows you to carry tall or longer items with greater flexibility. Despite being longer and wider than the Honda Jazz, the Honda City Hatchback actually has a 20% smaller boot. As a comparison, the Honda Jazz has a 363 litre capacity, but on the City Hatchback, it's only 289 litres. But the good thing is that both petrol and hybrid versions has the same capacity. The RS model also gets the remote engine start feature, where you can start the engine before getting into the car. So that's all from the Honda City Hatchback launch here in Malaysia. So which will you get? The sedan version or the hatchback model? Let us know in the comments down below and tell us why you prefer the hatchback over the sedan or the other way around. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe us on our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed of our future videos. This is Alex from soyachincha.com. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next one. Bye!